Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to blur background on Microsoft Teams video in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to log in or sign in our account on Microsoft Teams website. And of course, if you still don't have an account, you can create a one. Okay, you can create an account. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we need to start a meeting in order for us to do the task for today. Okay, so you just have to click the camera tab button here. So click that one to start a meeting. Okay, so it is now connecting. You just have to wait for a sec. Okay. So guys, okay, there you go. So as you can see on my screen, I have here my camera and my background. So in order to blur our background here, so you can just have to go to the camera button here, and there's a arrow down here. You can click that one, and there's a drop down options here. So just we have a lot of options here. So what we're gonna do guys is you just have to click this one, standard. Okay, standard blur or portrait blur. So it's up to you guys what you're gonna choose. So let's say standard blur. Okay, click that one. You can also choose the portrait blur. So it's up to you guys. Okay. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from our quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.